Hi, welcome back to Everyday Race. Today I've decided to do a review on the tool that I bought last week. It's these sight cutters, Klass Tools. So, anyways, let me get to the story. I lost my sight cutters again, and I constantly need to cut the wires. It seems like every day I need to cut something. So I've decided to go online and find decent sight cutters for under $10. So I went on eBay and I found these Klass Tools for $6.74. They look pretty good in the picture. And I scroll down and it said forge quality steel construction, heat treated and polished steel, dual material handle design for optimal grip and control. Heavy duty tool, safety orange, yada yada yada. Comes with a 1 year manufacturer replacement warranty from Klass Tools. So I was like, all right, that looks pretty good. A week later, they finally showed up. And from far away, I was like, oh, wow, they're pretty good. And then I looked closer, and the handle had a bunch of plastic on it. And I was like, what the hell? What in the hell? The quality was just not very good out of the box from the handles. And I looked closer, and they had a bunch of dents. Looked like it was a pretty poor made handle. Now it said it's made from a dual material, and it feels like it. It feels like the orange part is really slick, and the black part is softer. But the handle is just not very comfortable. The black part is still too hard, you know? For example, my needle nose pliers, they just have regular rubber handle. It's pretty comfortable. I can work with these all day long. But these edges, it's like they seem like too sharp. They would probably work with gloves, but not very good. So next, I decided, didn't really much care for the looks. I mean, it'd be nice if they were more comfortable, but they're under $7. Not much you can expect. As long as they cut the wire, I was going to be okay. So I got me a piece of wire and decided to try it out. Got the wire, pressed on it, nothing. Nothing. I was like, what's the deal? As you could see, it made the impression on the wire, but it didn't totally cut it. Let me make an example from my needle nose pliers. I'm going to grab a wire and then I'm going to slowly press on it. Boom. Cut it smooth as butter. So now the handle sucks and they just don't cut. And then I looked real close and I could see the gap all the way to about here. So it seems like this whole part is useless except for the tip. Let me show you. So if you get them by the tip, you press on them. Come on. Yay. Finally cut a piece of wire. It's a small 18 gauge wire, nothing fancy. But they don't cut, they handle crap. And then another thing is that they don't want to open all the way. If I need to grab a bunch of wires at the same time, it just wouldn't be possible with these. And they're really stiff. They were really stiff, as you can see with gravity. They don't want to open or close. For example, my 10-year-old needle nose pliers, they were very smooth. So, handle is poorly made, handle is not comfortable, and most importantly, they don't cut. So for those of you who's thinking about getting some sight cutters for under $7, I would highly not recommend these. These would probably look good on the wall somewhere if you never use them. Look, bam, right next to that picture. Look good. But if you want a usable tool, this shouldn't be in your toolbox. So on that note, thank you for watching and have a good day.